Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much po sa patuloy-tulaan ninyo sa napag-support sa akin dito sa channel na to. By the way, meron tayong new channel na ang all about Taurus. So kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus at cross-watcher kayo, pwede kayo din mga babes, no? Or kung may Taurus kayo in your natal or birth chart, you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. So, tingnan natin dito, Leo, no, mag-energy check-in tayo. Wala tayong gender at timeless din ito mga babes. So, let's see. Spirits and angel guys, can you please show me what do we have here for Leo, please? What do we have here for Leo, please? Okay, thank you so much. Let's see anong mensahe for you, Leo. So we have here this pair together with the community right here. So let's see. Okay, so looks like this could be some kind of a problem. Could one be existing here in your community environment? So yung iba, pwedeng sa workplace ito, no, parang yung mga kasamahan mo sa trabaho, no, parang hindi sila ganun ka-cooperative sa'yo. Or pero parang meron ka sigurong napapansin, no, na parang something wrong in your workplace if this is a setting na may kinalaman sa trabaho or pwedeng sa kaperahan. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi nagkakaroon ng harmonious connection sa pagitan ninyo, no, ng business partner mo para sa iba. So, there is something wrong, okay? Or pwedeng meron ditong parang conflict, okay? Or parang there's, I'm hearing pressure, no, na binibigay sa inyo rito yung inyong mga boss, okay? No, or ang inyong mga kasamahan sa trabaho, no, kahit hindi boss rito. So, you feel like tired here and alam mo yun, ikaw kasi yung klase ng tao dito, alam kong marunong makisama eh. No, kaya lang, hindi may iwasan yung pagkakataon rito, no, na you cannot please anybody. Diba? Or everybody. Okay? So, this is you, Leo, no, na parang medyo nasa pressured time ka ngayon. Okay? Yung iba, pwedeng hindi to sa workplace, pwedeng sa bahay ninyo, you feel pressured right here. Okay, by your family and friends, maybe in connection with money, because I'm picking that up. Okay, maybe you are being pressured right here with your parents na magbigay ka or tumulong ka sa house ninyo, or baka ikaw tong tumutulong naman, no, pero parang there's something wrong here. Okay, siguro yung tinutulong mo, no, has something to do with pwedeng hindi nila yon napapahalagahan, or dahil nagbibigay ka kasi dito palagi, no, parang nasanay na silang gano'n, no, and they tend to ask for more. Okay, I'm getting that as well. Yung iba naman, this could be a friendship here, no, your friends, parang may kayo ngayon, hindi pagkakaintindihan, misunderstanding here, but we're getting to know more about this one. Yeah, it's a normal thing going on, no, in a workplace setup or in a home setup or in a friendship setup, your circle of friends, you know, hindi naman talaga maiiwasan yan. And yes, we cannot really please everybody, no. So, let's get to know more. Tell me more about this. Spirit Angel guys or Angel Michael. Thank you so much. This is for Leo. Can you please show me more? Don't be too hard on yourself, babe. Itandaan ninyo, lagi ko sinasabi dito sa channel na to, no, kailangan nyo unahin lagi ang sarili ninyo. Okay, that's how life works. Yeah. Lagi nyo dapat alagaan yung sarili ninyo. If you really want to take care of your family, if you really want to take care of your loved ones, you really have to take care first of yourself. No? Yun ang pinaka dapat ninyong unang-unang gagawin. Okay? So, yes. Okay. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo mga babes. Wala kang problema sa trabaho itself. no? Sa job description mo, wala kang problema, no? Na ikaw yung provider sa family mo, wala kang problema. Whether it's a set up sa workplace, sa bahay nyo, no? Or sa pagkakaibigan ninyo, no? Wala kang problema, mga babes, no? Sa company ninyo or what, no? Ang problema is yung sa may mga kasama ka dun, no? Kasi I can see you feeling connected here with your work. King of Cups energy. Okay? So, this is yun. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, magaling kayong makisama rito, no? Pero kasi, meron talaga rito mga, ayan, no? Page of Swords energy, and we also have here the Devil, and there's the Seven of Wands. May mga mata na nakamasid sa'yo, Leo, no? Nakikita ko rito, no? Actually, maraming blessings ang pumapasok sa'yo because you have the will. This is the will of good fortunes, diba? So, marami ka rito. May success ka rito, oh. Kaya lang, no? Parang ikaw to na successful nga ako sa money. May pera ka, baby, oh. Six of Coins energy. Yung iba mo hindi nyo nakikita, no, mapopromote kayo rito in a way, or parang you will feel recognized, you will feel appreciated, you will have increase here, or ascending moment for you guys, no. May success tayo nakikita dito, may ma-achieve kayo eh. Pwedeng may kinalaman yan sa kaperahan, yun na nakukuha ko rito. Pero, hindi mo masyadong ramdam yun. Why? One, if this is a home setup, alam mo yun, hindi ka ganun makapagsabi sa yung family rito. No? Especially if you are already a provider, pero they want more. Parang ang iniisip mo na agad, you have this kind of thought, no, na parang, pag sinabi ko sa kanilang po-promote ako, they will probably ask for more pa. Nadagdagan ko yung ibibigay ko. No? So, hindi ko alam kung anong merong ganun, pero yun yung nakukuha ko, so I have to tell. Okay. This is you. You have winnings here. No? May panalo, may success rito pagdating sa kaperahan mo, eh, no? Meron pa nga rito nagpapakita ng opportunities rito, no? Na may taglay ka talagang galing, no? Kung ano talaga yung trabaho mo, you feel connected dyan. I think it has something to do with the community, the people you're with. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito that you could have these competitors, this Page of Swords, and the Seven of Wands, and the Devil. This could be the people waiting for you na magkamali. Okay? And yung iba, siguro kaya kayo pinagalitan ng boss ninyo because other people, I'm hearing chucho. Yeah, that is a term here, no, na parang ang dami siguro mga daldal, ang dami siguro mga naninira sa'yo rito, no, pwedeng, I'm getting the word newbie, no? Siguro kung sino pa yung mga bago dyan sa kumpanya na yan, or bagong staff, no, or pwedeng bagong business partner mo, no, whatever the case may be, someone new, okay, specifically, but doesn't have to be applicable for all of you. Basta meron dyan, no, na may inggit, no, kasi nakamasid sila rito sa'yo. Ayan. Hindi nila matanggap with the Five of Cups energy na nakakaungos ka sa kanila or nakakaangat-angat ka dito, babe. Hindi sila makatulog rito, eh, no? Alam niyo, bumalik kayo sa school, mga bebe ko. Bumalik kayo sa school kaysa nagaganyan kayo dito sa mga Junakis kong Leo. Yan, no? Parang hindi nila matanggap rito na nakakaangat ka or nakakaungos ka. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng baka kayo yung newbie dyan. Yan, no? At pinag-iinitan nila kayo kasi mas nakakalamang kayo. Na parang kakapasok nyo pa lang dito pero kayo na yung parang mas napapansin or what. No? And then, they tend to grab the boss or the management attention para hindi mapansin ritong magaling ka. Meron ka kasi ritong tinataglay na parang ano eh. Kasi ganito, okay, if this is a workplace setup, these people, kitang-kita nila, okay, yung kaya mong i-contribute sa kumpanya. Maybe you have the bright ideas. Maybe you have the concepts here ng mga plakado. Diba? Kaya niinggit sila in some way. Diba? Because of that. Eh, sila kasi mga kailangan pa nila mga views na pigain talaga rito ni mga cerebellum, brain cells, yan, no? Kung ano-ano pa rito sa kanilang utak, no? Ugat, at kung ano-ano pa, no? Bago makapaglabas rito ng magandang ideas. So, I think these people are envious or jealous of what you have. And if this is a home setup right here, I think there's someone in the family, maybe not all, pero meron someone in the family, could be somewhat pressuring you to give more, no? Or if not pressuring you to give more, lagi na silang nakatanghod sa'yo. 'Diba? Wala pa man din. So, you could be dealing with the Pisces, I do believe, parang yun ang reading ng Pisces last time. So, you might want to watch that out as well. So, yeah, if this is a setup naman about friends right here, I can see na meron ditong issue yung friend mo sa'yo. Okay? So, possible na inggit yon. But this is a general reading right here. Pwedeng niinggit siya sa'yo rito kasi yung iba, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay? Pero specifically, pwedeng yung friend mo na yon is pwedeng hindi pa siya nakakahanap ng work. Yeah, if this is a friendship setup, pwedeng hindi pa siya nakakahanap ng work and this person feels irritated listening to your successful stories. Wala talaga nadudulot ng mga babes, no, ang inggit. Pero yun nga, no, tend to move away from this negative energy. Hayaan mo lang, okay? Hayaan mo lang siguro, no, mamamatay din yung issue na yan. Just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep focusing on what you're doing, okay? So, yeah. Okay? Yan. So, thank you so much, Leo. Love and light. Annyeong.